Agriculture is fundamental to our understanding of the human past. Agriculture enters into a lot of theories about the past and how and why large-scale societies evolved, and it enters into things about, so why did we transition from becoming hunter-gatherers to agriculturalists. So it's really important to be able to collect information about agriculture and past agricultural systems. Increases in agricultural technology and productivity allow for larger scale societies, and we think that increased and improved agriculture is a precondition for the emergence of large scale societies. People differ though as to whether agriculture is a sufficient explanation for the rise of large-scale societies. So the idea there is that once you've developed agriculture, then all the other things that relate to large-scale complex societies follow on as a kind of a natural consequence. So you get larger populations, they have to be supported by managers of agricultural systems and things like that. So you get this kind of division of labour emerging naturally from these things. Other people argue, though, that while agriculture and improvements in agriculture are a necessary precondition for the emergence of large-scale societies, they're not sufficient by themselves, and you need to invoke other things such as warfare in order to explain why societies became more complex further down the line. What we want to do is to be able to model the productivity of past agricultural systems and create estimates of the potential productivity and how many people could be supported in any particular region, what we call a kind of carrying capacity for the region. And that's a function of different things such as the type of crop, the climate, and agricultural technologies, and also other biogeographical factors and various other things. So what we need is high quality systematic information about the kinds of agricultural practices and technologies that increase the productivity of agricultural systems. And so that can be things like irrigation systems, systems of multi-cropping, or polyculture, where you grow more than one crop in a field at a time, which enables a boost in the yield that you get out. And there are various other techniques such as manuring or mulching, which stops the evaporation of water from the soil. So what we're doing is going through information about past societies in the historical and agricultural record and trying to capture those features of those agricultural systems. Once we've captured the information about historical and prehistoric agricultural practices, we can then feed that into our model of crop productivity and carrying capacity. And that way we can get a sense of which areas were most productive in the past and how that's changed over time. And we can then correlate that with the rise of complex societies.